In this video, we're going to be talking about the Sony ZV-E10, and I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you need this in your camera bag. So let's get into it. The first reason is that this camera is great value. The Sony ZV-E10 offers a load of great features at a very reasonable price. For starters, this camera offers super sharp 4K video, which is downsampled from 6K up to 30 frames per second. And you can also shoot up to 120 frames per second at 1080p. And you also get access to Sony's exceptional autofocus system. Along with this, it has really flexible 14-bit RAW files for photos, which really allow you to push the colors, the highlights, and the shadows in the edit. Plus, the built-in 3-capsule directional microphone is surprisingly decent, which would be a great option if you're a travel filmmaker who wants to travel super light and doesn't want to worry about packing an external microphone.
This is a test of the Sony ZV-E10's built-in microphones. It does have the wind muff on top, but it has got quite windy now. But hopefully this would be usable in a vlog setting or in just a video where you've maybe forgotten your other microphone and you still need to record. Now this is a test with the Sony ZV-E10 with the Rode Video Micro on top, so the external microphone connected into the ZV-E10, and this is how it sounds.
And all this is available for just £679 or $699 for the body-only version, or with a kit lens for only £769 or $799. But in reality, the ZV-E10 can often be found a lot cheaper than this due to price reductions often mean you can pick it up for £100 plus off the RRP, which makes it a really strong contender for the title of Budget Camera King. Reason number 2 to pick up the Sony ZV-E10 is the fact that it's a video-focused camera that is perfect for budding videographers who are looking to take their video production to the next level in the future. The camera has a mic jack for using an external microphone as well as a headphone jack for monitoring audio. Additionally, all of Sony's HDR and S-Log picture profiles are built in, which allows for flexibility if you want to start color grading now or in the future. The camera also has really useful usability features such as a tally light and a red box that goes around the border of your screen so that you know when you're recording and when you're not. There are also some really great content creator focused features such as Product Showcase, which allows the camera's autofocus to prioritize objects that you put up in front of the camera before focusing back on your face when you take the object away. Reason number 3 is the fact that the Sony ZV-E10 is really easy to use for live streaming. All you need to do is put the camera into streaming mode and then connect it to the computer, and then you can use it like any other webcam in Microsoft Teams, Zoom, OBS, or any other programs that you want to use it with. And while the camera is connected to your computer, it loses charge very slowly, which means that you can stream for a really long time before actually having to charge the battery properly. Reason number 4 is that if you already own a Sony full-frame camera, like I do with the Sony A7C, then the Sony ZV-E10 is a perfect B cam for that camera, because the colors match very easily. This is a great option for a second camera for interviews, for example, like we do in this case, where we have the Sony ZV-E10 set up here as my B cam, and the A7C as my A cam. Or it's particularly great if you're a content creator capturing videos about you creating content with your other camera. Our final reason number 5, is the fact the Sony ZV-E10 is a very low profile camera. This means that if it's paired with the right lens, such as the Sigma 18-50 f2.8, then it can be the perfect travel companion. The camera is compact, easy to carry around, and perfect for capturing video and photos on the go. So those were 5 reasons why you need the Sony ZV-E10. It's a great camera that offers a lot of features at a very reasonable price, in my opinion, and it could be a great option if you're looking to get into videography for the first time, or if you're looking for a great little B cam to pair with your existing Sony full-frame camera. If you want to pick up a Sony ZV-E10 for your camera bag, then I've put a link down in the description for you. But before making that all-important buying decision, you might want to check out my full in-depth Sony ZV-E10 review, which covers all the things I don't like about this camera as well. So you can check that out right here. Otherwise, as always, it's been an absolute pleasure, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers!